Hey everybody, Jake here. What we're going to do today is we're going to change the water filter on our LG refrigerator. By the way guys, if you've not subscribed, please subscribe. We have a lot of great videos coming up ahead. Alright, the first thing you want to do is you want to check the model of your refrigerator. That way you can order the proper filter. Alright, now the purpose of this video, of course, is to show you how to change a filter in one of these refrigerators, but also, even more important, is I want to point out a very high quality filter that I've been using for a couple of years now. This is the Clatterans refrigerator ice and water filter, okay? This is about the best filter you can possibly buy. I tried a couple of different filters in the past, including the one that came with the refrigerator, which was terrible. But this filter was bar none the best filter that I've used. The water quality is fantastic. The taste is excellent. It's just perfect. This filter can be bought on the Clatterans.com website. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put the link in the description so you can go ahead and click it and get this filter. Now let me show you how to change this filter. Press the little button on the front of the door and push it all the way down. Then take the actual filter and push it all the way to the bottom. It will not come out unless you push it all the way down. Once it's all the way down, then you can pull on the filter and it will pop right out, just like that, and you're good. Now what you're going to do is you're going to take your new filter, push it all the way in, and then swing it up like that. Close the door and you're good to go. And remember to take your ice out. That's the old ice. You're going to dump it out, you're going to put the tray back in, and you're going to let it run through a full container of ice, and you're going to dump that because that first batch is probably going to not be clear and clean. At this point you want to empty out a bunch of water so it starts coming out clear. I like to let about a gallon to 2 gallons of water run out. By this point you can see how clear it is, and I figured let me give it a try, let me taste it, and it was actually pretty good. Let's let a little more out. Right about there, that should be good. See how clear that is? We tried it. That's good stuff. That is good water. Yep. Alright everybody, thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something. That Clatterans filter is excellent. I'd go out and get one right now. Please subscribe. Please give me a thumbs up if this video helped, and have a great day. Bye.